Mr. Bhavnesh and Mr. Farid Khan. From Ved Niksha. From creative conceptualization to flawless execution, Ved Niksha is a preferred wedding event planner partner of discerning individuals who desire a dream wedding celebration. The impeccable lineage of Vizcraft, India's premier personal and business event creation entity, gives them the exclusive advantage of possessing the dynamics required to make a wedding celebration truly memorable. They have in-house experts in departments like organization, modern technology, stage design and setup. Miss Noreen Murani from Cineyug Entertainment. Cineyug is India's premier entertainment company that covers all aspects of entertainment spectrum, including commercial movie production, live concerts and arena events, high-profile weddings, etc. Cineyug clients list includes Mr. Alan Mittal's wedding, Videocon wedding in Mumbai, Rosie Blue wedding in Mumbai, Mr. Zayed Khan Sangeet in Mumbai, Mr. Ravi Arya wedding in Mumbai, Lohia wedding in Indonesia, etc. Gurleen M. Puri. From Gurleen M. Puri, she believes in working closely with clients to coordinate event details that reflect their individuality and meet their exact needs. Gurleen clients include Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Mr. Saif Ali Khan, Mr. Subroto Roy from Sahara, Mr. Vikas Oberoi from Oberoi Constructions, Mr. Bhushan Kumar from T-Series, Hero Honda, Kothari Gems from Jaipur, Mr. Karan Johar, Mrs. Twinkle Khanna and Mr. Akshay Kumar, Mr. Aditya Chopra from Yash Raj Films, Mr. Adnan Sami and many more. Mr. Sanjay Dhabade from The Zero Hour. Sanjay Dhabade created huge Rajasthan-inspired wedding sets for steel magnate Ellen Mittal's daughter in Paris. Sanjay Dhabade is Indian art director and production designer, has proved his mettle in many movies. A grand stage set for PM Narendra Modi in Shivaji Park, Mumbai was also designed and executed by Mr. Sanjay Dhabade. Mr. Nilab Kapoor from Studio Nilab. Studio Nilab is India's leading and most awarded wedding design and entertainment management company. Nilab Kapoor is known to combine his design sense with in-depth research, architectural exactness, technological awareness and innovative, contemporary insights to create unique and niche signature events all across the globe. Studio Nilab has executed events such as IFA, Star Screen Awards, Apsara Awards, Star Parivar Awards, MTV Style Awards and many more. Mr. Samit Garg from E-Factor Entertainment. E-Factor is a company known for its larger-than-life, extraordinary setups and completely personalized services to the clients. E-Factor client list includes wedding of Miss Shilpa Shetty with Mr. Raj Kundra in Lonavala and Mumbai, wedding of Miss Aishwarya Rai with Mr. Abhishek Bachchan in Mumbai, wedding of Mr. Sushanto and Sumanto, son of Mrs. and Mr. Subrata Roy, Sahara Group in Lucknow and many more. Mrs. Geeta Samuel from Q Events. Q Events is a designing and styling company which was established as a corporate entity in 2001. It is a company which specializes in wedding decor design. Q Events is the collective talent and diligence of a team of over 300 employees under the guidance of Mrs. Geeta Samuel. Mr. Jayraj Gupta from Shadi Online. Shadi Online is India's first professional wedding management company that provides complete range of wedding-related services to its clients. Shadi Online promises to its customer uniqueness, convenience, and significant cost savings during planning, coordinating, and executing wedding requirements. Mr. Vikas Gudgutia from Ferns and Petals. Ferns and Petals Private Limited is the one-stop shop from your wedding requirements. The essence of Ferns and Petals lies in its enthusiastic team. Its client list includes Mr. S.K. Burman from Dabur, Mr. O.P. Jindal from Jindal Steel and Power, Mr. Subhrata Roy from Sahara India Parivar, Mr. Kamal Passi from Lotus Herbals, Mr. Arun Puri from the India Today Group, Mr. Pranoy Roy from NDTV, Mr. J.J. Valia, Mr. Ashok Jain from NV Group and many more. Mrs. Neha Seth Arora from Varvadhu. Every bride dreams of a wedding that transcends the ordinary, and every individual at the house of Varvadhu dreams of creating one that measures up to that dream. Every ritual, every party, every function is designed to be an affair to remember. Glitz, glamour, and flamboyance driven by intensive planning and hard work all come together to immortalize this beautiful occasion of love at the house of Varvadhu. Anushri Agarwal from the Theme Weavers Designs. They theme, weave, design, and organize events that are special for you, curated with love and zeal by the passionate Theme Weavers Designs team, makes festivities come alive with a zing of authenticity. Their on-ground presence and hands-on approach ensures that their clients get every detail right, each moment impeccable, and each event perfect. TWD's client list includes Maharaja Gaj Singh of Jodhpur, Mrs. and Mr. Dalmia from Sir Biotech Group, Mr. Rahul Mehta from Times Group, and many more. Mr. Jaideep Mehta from True Events. From the past decade, True Events has managed more than 600 well-organized events while creating unbelieving, highly motivating experiences for its clients. True Events team is constantly striving to outdo its past performances. A professional event and wedding planner who is passionate about work and ensure that your special day is very thing you dreamed of. From beautiful flower arrangements to gourmet menus and fun entertainment. Mr. Satish Ramnani from Veda Events. Veda, as a luxury wedding planning company, was formed about 9 years ago. A team of 63 seasoned professionals with experienced backgrounds in travel, hospitality, concierge, F&B, design and decor, setup and production, artist and celebrity management. With a collective experience of hundreds of events, the team is passionate about what they do, translating each wedding into something truly unique and unforgettable. Mr. Francis Serrao from Crosscraft. Crosscraft is the leading event management company in Goa which is committed to the highest standards of ethics, integrity, and exceptional client service. At Crosscraft, they cross barriers and craft dreams. Their endeavor is always to enhance professionalism and creativity with a distinctive personal touch. They also deal in caterings and cruising. Crosscraft has brilliantly crafted dream weddings for Akhil Gitika in Jaipur and many more in several destinations of India. Mr. Pritesh Sharma from Mapsor. Mapsor Experiential Weddings is a professional event management organization that has proficiency of turning intangible ideas into a creative reality, being a most customer-sensitive service providers in the domain of sales promotion activities, celebrity shows, corporate shows, wedding events. They have been the part of many success stories in the event management services. Mapsor's client list includes Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Mr. Pamnani of Radisson Blu from Dubai, Juhi Parmar, TV actress, Mr. Mahubani from London.